Nature has always known what we're only beginning to remember. That healing doesn't have to be complicated, that wisdom grows all around us. For millennia, communities have turned to the Earth's pharmacy. What if the journey to wellness wasn't hidden behind closed doors, but waiting in plain sight? At Myfeelium, our goal is to become obsolete to you. We're merely here to help you access what's always been yours, from deep healing to subtle reminder of life's majesty. Myfeelium, nature's wisdom thoughtfully shared.